Welcome to CodeCraft. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create your first Git repository. I'm your host, Johnson, and let's dive right into it. In this video, we're going to walk through creating your first Git repository. Whether you're starting a personal project or collaborating with a team, Git will help you keep track of your code changes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to initialize a new Git repository, add files, and make your first commit. First, we need to initialize our Git repository. This is the foundation of tracking changes in your project. Open your terminal and navigate to your project folder. Once you're there, type the following command, git init. This will initialize a new Git repository and create a hidden .git folder in your project directory. Git operates in three main areas: the working directory, the staging area, and the commit history. The working directory is where you make changes to your files. The staging area is where files are placed before committing them. Finally, the commit history stores snapshots of your project's state at different points in time. Now that your Git repository is initialized, let's check its status. Run the command git status. Git will show you which files are untracked, meaning it is aware of them, but hasn't started tracking their changes yet. Next, we'll add a file to Git staging area. Let's create a simple file, like readme.md. After creating it, we use the command git add readme.md to tell Git that we want to track this file. The file is now in the staging area, ready to be committed. Once files are in the staging area, the next step is to commit them to the repository. To do this, use the command git commit m, followed by a message describing the changes, like git commit m initial commit with readme file. This creates a snapshot of the changes you made and saves them in your Git history. To see all the commits made so far, run the command git log. This will show the history of commits, including details like the commit message, the author, and the date. Each commit is a snapshot of your project at that specific point in time. Here's a quick recap of what we've done today. 1. Initialized a Git repository using git init. 2. Checked the repository status with git status. 3. Added a file to the staging area using git add. 4. Committed the changes with git commit. Now you're ready to start using Git for version control in your projects. Thanks for watching CodeCraft. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tutorials on Git and version control. We'll be covering more advanced topics like remote repositories and collaboration on GitHub in future videos.